that the Emirates has decided that it is safe enough for them to fly, and it should be safe enough also for us to charter airplanes na para maisakay yung mga ibang Pilipino na nais umuwi. And there are 2 flights that we are planning. One is out of Riyadh para sa mga nasa Saudi, sa Qatar, Kuwait, and Bahrain. Yung isa naman out of Fujairah in the UAE to transport yung mga Dubai OFWs. We are hoping to bring DND and CAAP personnel. In fact, I know that Secretary Hans Kaptak is taking the flight to Dubai. Sabi ko sumakay siya para makapag-report siya ng mabuti kung ano ba talagang sitwasyon doon. And he will be doing that. Ang nabuksan pa ay there's now a land border crossing from the UAE and from Israel. That will be arriving tomorrow respectively. So maisasakay din natin yan sa mga eroplano.